In this video, we're going to put together everything that we've learned and go from project in your video editing software, in our case, Adobe Premiere, and we're going to upload it to YouTube with tags, title, and description, and thumbnail. So we're going to go from start to finish in one example, and to do this, we're going to use a video that you haven't seen yet, which is how to get more subscribers. And so let's go ahead. This is the project I have, and you can see it's already been edited. And it's ready for upload. So what we're going to do is go to File, Export Media, and we are going to use the YouTube 1080p default as our export, and we're not going to change any settings. If you do not have Adobe Premiere or you don't have this version of Adobe Premiere, go back to our export settings video, and you can see the exact settings you should be using to upload to YouTube. But we're going to export. Okay, so now you can see it is exported on my external drive here, how to get more subscribers. So now we need to make a thumbnail for this video. So to do that, we're going to open up Photoshop, and we're going to create a new project. And I already have a custom size set up, but let's pretend that you don't have that. So we'll call this thumbnail, and we want it 1920 by 1080. And your default resolution is probably 72 pixels per inch. I usually up it to 150 or 300. It just gives it a little more detail, but it makes the file size larger. Click Create. So we're going to need a background for this. So let's go ahead and go back to our Premiere, and we'll pick somewhere where I've got maybe a smile or something. It's going to be hard to find at the beginning. Let's go to the end where I say goodbye, and we'll make our own capture here. No. That's about as close of a smile as we're going to get. And of course, this is just an example that's not actually being posted. So that's going to do for us. I'm going to full screen this. I'm on Windows, so I'm going to open the snipping tool. And I'm just going to capture the full screen. I'm sure there's a shortcut for a full screen. Once we've got the snipping tool, we can click Save on the same here. So we'll say thumbnail capture. We'll go to Photoshop. We'll click Open. Go to thumbnail capture. And this is going to put it in a separate layer or a separate tab, so we want to drag it over. Again, my intention is not to teach you graphic design in this one video. It's just to show you how the steps work start to finish. Okay, now we want to add a little bit of text to this, so we're going to click our text tool. And let's change the color to a nice yellow color. This is kind of our default thumbnail color, and we're going to say get more. We'll make this bigger. It's a pretty sorry looking thumbnail, I'm not going to lie, but the purpose is just to show you how we go from video to upload. So I'm not going to spend too much time on a thumbnail that's not actually going to be used. Sorry, it got the best of me. I had to make it at least look decent. Okay, then just move it up here. Close enough. Okay, File, Save As. We're going to put it back in the same place, right with our capture. And we're going to save this as a JPEG. I want to say get more subscribers thumbnail. Click Save. I usually make the maximum quality just because screen caps are very low quality images. We'll click OK. Now we're going to head over to YouTube, and we're going to click on your name, your account logo, and we're going to ignore what I just said and actually click the upload button. We're not going to need to go to our video manager to upload anymore. Click video, we're going to say upload a video. And generally, I'm going to leave this one unlisted because we're not going to make this video public just as a test. But even if you plan on making your videos public, it's a good idea to make your videos unlisted when you upload them so that YouTube can process the quality. Because when you first upload it, you get only the low quality version until it can process it and make the HD and 4K versions. You also want to make sure that you don't get any copyright strikes. So if you upload a video public and you get copyright strikes, then you don't have time to dispute that. So upload unlisted, go back to our video, how to get more subscribers. And while this is uploading, we get to work on our title, thumbnail, and tag. I'm sorry, it's title, description, and tags. And honestly, how to get more subscribers is not too bad of a title. Let's capitalize things properly. How to get more subscribers on, the only thing I would add would be YouTube. And then for the description, let's describe this. If you're just starting out on YouTube, getting new subscribers is one of the hardest parts. Use these tips to convert new viewers into subscribers of your channel. And then we would have our channel bio, and then we'd also put links to other videos that we recommend or products that we recommend below that. And for the tags, you can see our default upload just has Mike and Lauren as a tag, so let's add a few more for this one. So we want just a variation of our title, so get more subscribers. We want YouTube tips, actually just say YouTube tips, advice, how to, viewers, subs, growth, and these are just popping into my head, just anything that I think describes this video. How many do we have so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's add 2 more. I put channel already? Nope, channel's a good one. People are going to be searching for that. And let's add views as well, because as you'll learn in this video, views are more important than subscriber, and actually watch time is more important than views. Okay, so we've got a title, we've got our description, we've got our tags. The last thing we need to do is upload our custom thumbnail. So we'll go to our thumbnail, get more subscribers thumbnail, open. And it didn't take that time. Did it again. Okay, there we go. And then the last thing you would do would add it to a playlist. So this one could be under how to, but our how to is more about woodworking projects, where we do have a making videos playlist. So that would go perfect there. And for some reason, the thumbnail, let's open this and make sure it's what we want. Yep. There it is. And so now we've got a custom thumbnail down here just by clicking that change image. And let's go everything we've got so far. Go through everything we've got. We've got how to get more subscribers on YouTube. Let's make it a little more exciting. Add an exclamation point. If you're just starting out on YouTube, getting new subscribers is one of the hardest parts. Use these tips to convert new viewers into subscribers of your channel. Good. Tags look good. You could spend a little more time brainstorming tag ideas if you wanted. Monetization, let's make sure that we have all of the options selected and that we want to monetize this video. And it is how to. And we do want to allow comments. We can allow ratings. We want it everywhere. We allow embedding. It looks good to me. So at this point, it is unlisted, so we would select done, and we could go to our video manager and see that it is ready to go. So if we then wanted to make this public after we gave it a few minutes to process, we'd click Edit. And we would change the public to, or I'm sorry, we'd change it from unlisted to public and click Save, and then it would be live to all our viewers. So I hope that helps give you just kind of an overview of everything that you've learned in this section. In the next video, I will go over one of our more popular videos as a case study to see what title and tags we used that maybe influenced that success a little bit.